we've been back in North Carolina for about 4 years. And so
we looked for a dentist and looked, and I received a flyer from Dr. Suh in the mail. So I wanted to go see Dr. Suh because I called and made an appointment, and from the phone call alone, the person who answered the phone was so nice and so friendly. I told my husband that this is where we needed to at least try.
yeah, I was actually going to another dentist at the time, and then she talked me into going to this place. She had a great first experience. Said she loved it. Said it was just the absolute best time in the world. Everyone was so friendly and fun. And
I've never had fun going to the dentist.
and so,
I have had a filling since I was a little girl, and that was not a fun experience. And I remember crying, and it was very painful when I was little. So when I ended up having a cavity, I was a little apprehensive, a little nervous, and Dr. Suh said it will be fine, and he filled the cavity. I really truly did not feel any anesthesia. I didn't feel any shots. I felt nothing. I got to watch TV. It was wonderful. It absolutely there was no pain involved whatsoever, and that's when I told my husband he had to come here because I've never seen anything. I've never felt anything like that. I've never seen anything like that. We have a 6-year-old and a 5-year-old. And a 2-year-old and a 1-year-old. So our 6 and our 5, 2 little boys, both come here. And this is their, they love to come here. They get toothbrushes. The people who work with them are fun, they're upbeat. You had kind of a scary experience when you were a child too, so he was a little worried about that.
That actually is the root of why I'm not a big fan of going to the dentist, or I haven't been. Because when I was a little kid, I was getting x-rays as a little boy. Probably about 4 or 5 years old. Don't remember exactly how old it was. I remember it vividly though, that I was gagging on into that X-ray, and the dentist, no kidding, started yelling and screaming at me and throwing things in the dentist's office. And it was I was there by myself. I was
He wouldn't let your mom
down the
in.
hall. I remember my mom was way down the other end of the hall, and obviously as a little kid it was kind of traumatizing. So to me, that always stuck with me, and that's why it's been a root of mine. I've never really enjoyed going to the dentist, and to come here, it's been refreshing, and not only for me personally, but to now entrust Dr. Suh and his staff with my kids, and I have the utmost faith that he will take care of them. He'll do what he needs to do, and the staff is very cordial and friendly and welcoming to the kids. It makes it a fun, enjoyable experience, and our kids. They've gone each a few times now, and each and every time going to the dentist has been fun. And
we said we were going to the dentist tonight to try to explain what we were doing, and they said, we want to go. And that's very atypical for a child.
For a kid to want to go to the dentist. And sure enough, we've got a couple kids that love going to the dentist.
It's nice because that creates lifelong wonderful habits for them. From the minute you walk in the door, you are greeted with tea, with bottles of water. You can sit down and watch a big screen TV. You can relax in the comfortable chairs. The staff is so friendly from the front desk all the way throughout. Then you finally get to come back to a room and you get to watch TV. The equipment is so advanced. Even the x-rays that were taken, it was amazing. Everything from the beginning to the end was just amazing.
From the walking to the door, the sitting down, and then the chairs and the couches to the dentist chairs here, everything's just an amazing experience. It really is just
I always joke and say it's like going to the spa. It's the closest. We have 4 children, so it's almost a getaway just to go to the dentist. I'm excited to go to the dentist. I've never said that in my life. It's so nice. From the people to the entire experience, it really is so nice.